Hey guys, Chef Jay, and I'm pondering the question I get asked a lot. Hey, I've got a little bit of brine left. What do I do? Today, we're going to show you how to brine pork tenderloin. That's right, the ultimate insurance policy for flavor and moisture, now making some amazing pork tenderloin. Okay, one of the things you want to remember when you get into using some of that extra brine is follow all of your package instructions, because that's going to guide you how much weight of brine, how much water, etc. We've got a little bit of brine left in here, and it's under about a quarter of the bag. This bag does 16 to 18 pounds. So today I'm going to do about 4 pounds of pork tenderloin, and that brine that's sitting in there that I had, folded up, sitting in the cabinet like that, now I'm going to use it today and add some flavor. So step number one, always read package instructions. That'll tell you how much meat you can brine, whether it's pork tenderloin or what else. Okay, we followed those package instructions. This is now cooling nicely, so we'll set that aside and get ready to show you how we trim pork tenderloin. All right, pork tenderloin is ready. We took it out of the package, patted it dry. First thing I need to do is just get that knife under there so we can start trimming off that silver skin. And we'll go ahead and do that on both of these loins here and get them all ready for brine time. We transfer that pork tenderloin into a bowl. I'm going to go ahead now and pour the chilled brine. Very important. You want cold brine onto cold pork or whatever you're brining. And I'll tell you what, this is good to go. We are going to let this go 45 minutes a pound. And then we'll see you back here when we're all brined and done. Now, we know when we brine these, we're giving them that foundation of flavor, right? Because brine includes salt, sugar, spices, herbs, aromatics. And we're giving them a lot of moisture. So take that brine out of there, and what we're left with is 2 nicely seasoned pork tenderloins. I am not going to add any additional seasoning to these today because I want to put them on the grill to show you what they look like, just brined and grilled. All right, we've got the grill all cleaned up. We went ahead and ignited all the burners, and now we're going to watch our temperature grow here. We're going to start our cooking process today at 400 degrees. So once that hits 400 degrees, we will now adjust those burners down so that we can hold and maintain 400 degrees. We are holding nicely at 400 degrees. Let's go ahead and get those pork tenderloins on. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to let them go on each side, basically about 3 minutes, and then we'll come in and rotate it, and we'll keep rotating them to get even char and sear on all sides. 3 minutes aside, we're going to cook to 145 degrees internal. All right, here we are right at that 3-minute mark, so check it out. We'll go ahead now and start, oh, look at that. Now we're going to start rotating this and let these go on each side now for 3 minutes, and we'll keep doing that rotating until we hit that desired doneness of 145 degrees. Here we are right at that 12-minute mark. We'll go ahead and get this rotated one more time, and now let's dig in and take our first temperature check and see where we're at. We're sitting at 85 degrees. Yeah, we're sitting at 85 degrees, so we'll keep rotating and cooking till we hit 145. There we are right at the 20-minute mark. We're sitting at 127 degrees, so we'll keep flipping and cooking till we hit 145, but I'll see you in the kitchen when we're all done. And just like that, these are done. Total cook time was about 25 minutes, so you could probably expect 25 to 30 minutes tops, but those are delicious. We're going to rest now for 5 minutes. Look at this. We have rested for 5 minutes, and we are done. Well, there you have it, 25 to 30 minutes. You have amazing pork. This tenderloin came in at 27 minutes to get to the USDA recommended minimum temp of 145 degrees. And that pork at 145, absolutely magic. I didn't add a rub. I didn't add a sauce. I just let the brine do its thing. So a great way to use leftover brine. Also a great way to add flavor and just brine in general. So stay tuned, because coming up, I'm going to show you another cooking method for pork tenderloin on the big green egg. That video coming up next. But this right here